To install the Cascade Rescue Model 100 handle locks, you'll need a set of the handle locks, 2 bolts, 2 lock nuts, 4 washers, a 9/16 wrench, and a 9/16 socket. First, take a handle lock, insert it into the receiving slot, and apply just enough pressure towards the rear of the sled to slightly open the slot. After making sure that the handle lock jaw is facing up, insert the bolt through the rear receiving slot hole and put a washer on it. Keeping the washer and bolt in place, put the handle lock on the bolt. Push the bolt a little more and add a second washer before pushing the rest of the bolt through the front receiver hole. Next, place the horizontal L metal onto the bolt before installing the lock nut onto the bolt. Using the wrench and socket, tighten the nut. Repeat this procedure on the opposite side.